How to fix Unsent Gmail on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Unsent Gmail on Android phone. First open apps settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again and here type Gmail and click on it, and after that click storage and then click clear cache, and now click force stop, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, all you need to do just go to Play Store and type your Gmail and then just check if there's any update here for your Gmail and then just update it and restart your phone and try again, and I hope that can fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.